Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to sell in Etoro. First thing you want to do is go over to your portfolio and pick an asset that you want to sell. So I will sell this copy trader asset, click on it, and then pick the stock. So click this, click on the particular stock, and you can close it right here. Pick one, press close. Here you have the option to close the trade. As you can see, this is the current value, and this is the open units, and this will be your return. So I don't recommend to close it when your return is negative, but I will do it for sake of this tutorial right now. Press close trade once you are satisfied with your return, and as you can see, it is pending close. It will close once the market is open. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.